Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm troubleshooting a 2200W induction cooker that starts heating but quickly triggers an E2 error code and starts beeping. The owner mentioned it works for a moment after restarting, but the error always comes back. This usually points to a fault in the temperature sensing circuit. While many suspect a dead sensor, the real culprit is often simpler. In this video, I'll show you how to test the 10OK NTC thermistors and why a single cold solder or loose joint on the sensor socket can cause the entire system to fail. I'll also share a quick maintenance tip for cleaning internal grease and reapplying thermal paste. Let's get this repaired.